Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought any updates regarding PhD admission in NIT Trichy for January 2022 session. So in this you will get all important dates, then what are the categories in which you can apply, what are the process, what are the eligibility criteria, and some more information. That's all. So they are inviting application for PhD admission in two type of category. First full time and second part time. Full time, half time research assistantship means you have to stay permanently in the NIT Trichy campus and have to work from 9 to 5 like regular jobs, and in second category externally funded, if you are have qualified UGC NET, CSIR NET, TST Inspire like national exams, then you can apply in this category. And third, non stipendary category, if you want to pursue your PhD by your own expenses, then you can apply in this category. And in next category part time, there are two type of category, internal and external. Internal means if you are working in any if you are holding any post in NIT Trichy, then also you can apply for this part-time PhD program. And second, external, which means that if you are working in any government colleges, private colleges, or private organization, government organization, and if you have basic research facility there, then you can apply in this category for the session January 2022 2022 in engineering and architecture, science, computer application management, and humanity and social sciences. This is the link in by which you can apply. I will upload this link in description box. Now we are going to see what are the important dates first. You can see application process already started from 1st of November and last date November 30, and the interview and written will be conducted from 13 to 17. The application fee, you can see it is 1000 for OC, general EWS, OBC non-creamy layer, and 500 for SC/ST and PWD candidate. Some more important information you can also see here. If you are in completing BE Tech, or you have completed from here, you can see direct applicant currently in their final semester 2020 to 21 batch of their BE Tech or BR degree program, and are expected to get their bachelor degree awarded in 2021. First, in the other card, general EWS OBC now you have must budget 80% or above aggregate marks or 8.5 CGPA. And in second category, SC/ST, physically disabled, if you are have 75% CGPA or 8 CGPA in each degree, then for admission in PhD program, all exams cleared in first attempt without any error or backlog. In addition, you must have qualified GATE or equivalent national level test score is mandatory. These applicants are eligible for full-time HTRA category in architecture and engineering department. Only selected candidates will be joining 2-year MTech MArch plus PhD program in architecture and engineering. So you can directly apply for this PhD program. Means you will get both MEM Tech plus PhD like integrated. And one lateral, this is direct applicant, and one lateral applicant means applicant with master degree, those currently in the final semester and expecting degree in 2021. If you are other caste or general EWS or OBC non-creamy layer and having CGPA 60% or 6.5, and for SC/ST 55% marks in both and UG and PG for admission to PhD program. In addition, a qualified GATE or an equivalent national level test score, preferably obtained in the last 5 years for engineering and architecture candidate, and for others in last 3 years from the closing date of application form. is mandatory. These applicants are eligible for all four categories of full-time and part-time. However, GATE equivalent score is not mandatory from industry and R&D labs for reduction into part-time external without GATE. For more details, you have to see. This is also comes under two category: one lateral applicant and second direct applicant. They have briefly explained what are the eligibility criteria they must possess. These all are the documents you must have during document verification: 10th 12th mark sheet, passport size photograph, signature. No, you have to upload these all things, and also have during document verification means 10th 12th mark sheet, passport size photograph, signature, mark sheet of last semester, then community certificate, EWS certificate if you want to apply in this category, then PWD certificate, a sponsorship certificate, GATE certificate, GATE score like NET score. These all documents you must have during online application and also for document verification. Now you can see PhD admission category and requirement. Full-time research scholar in this two category, half-time research assistantship. In this applicant selected under this category in architecture, engineering and science department are also eligible for PMRF fellowship. Means if you are selected under this category, then you can get that. And the external category, they have mentioned fellowship from UGC, CSIR, DST or Department of Atomic Energy and BHM, etc. or a sponsored SIP research and consultancy project within the individual department or faculty and non-stipendary. These three categories exist in full-time research scholar, and in part-time research scholar also two category in service internal and external. Admission process: written test and interview. First they will shortlist you, then they will take a written test and interview for shortlisted candidate. For the candidate 3.1 a full-time HTRA, you will get 31,000 35,000 as per MHRD or Ministry of Education rules and regulation, and for PMRF it will enhanced like 75,000 I think that will have for PMRF. This is the seat matrix for architecture, total 5 vacancy, chemical 6, chemistry civil 3, 7, computer science and engineering 8 vacancy, electrical electronics no vacancy, electronic communication 2, energy 2, energy sciences 2, instrumentals and control 4, management 3, mathematics 2, mechanical 8, metallurgy and material 6 vacancy, physics 1 and production total 7 vacancy. So total number of PhD seats are 68 currently, including different departments. These all are the different category. You can see now these all are important information which I have already discussed, and maybe research area also they have shown. These all are additional eligibility criteria. Means if you are applying in particular discipline, then you must have your engineering or a master degree in this discipline. So it's not possible to mention everything. So you can take the screenshot or download information browser. I will upload the link in description box. Like you can see for Department of Mechanical Engineering, applicant with PU Tech in Mechanical with Master in Design Thermal Industry Safety stream can apply for PhD. Then for Metallurgy and Material, if you have BE Tech degree in the appropriate branch of study, PG degree in science, either physics, chemistry, material science, applied science, applied physics or applied chemistry, followed by MTech degree or MS in material science and engineering or equivalent PG degree in relevant discipline, then you can apply. Means your master and BE Tech or bachelor's in relevant discipline in which you can apply. Selection process: for all four categories, the mode and norms for selection shall be uniform. Following the scrutiny and shortlisting of applicants, the department will conduct written test. Based on that, you will shortlisted for interview. or also they can take both written and interview, and simultaneously they will access the score, and according to that they will shortlist. Duration of program minimum 3 years and maximum 5 years for full time, and for part time it is 7 years. Place of research work, the candidate admitted under full-time category shall work at NIT Trichy till submission of thesis, and those applying under part-time external without GATE category from industry or organization will normally carried out part or all of his her research work in the place of employment. For those students, there will be two research supervisor, one principal supervisor from NIT Trichy, and one co-supervisor from place of work. Coursework, they have given, you have to undergo 2 semester coursework, and for part time and full time you have to do that in regular form. This is the link by which you can apply this things I have already told you. These all are the areas of specialization in which you can apply. They will ask you during online application, you select 2 or 3 in which you have interest, and note down that, and put that it into online application form. These all are different research area. This is a sponsorship certificate. Then certificate from external research co-supervisor or research coordinator to be submitted by PhD external registration candidate. This is PhD part-time external on campus candidate. So that's all. I have discussed all the important things here. So it's a great opportunity for you if you want to apply in PhD programs in NIT Trichy. Share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed the channel till now, subscribe it as soon as possible. Thank you.